Hey guys, it's Friday. It's a little afternoon and I have not done any filming yet. We have done a little bit today. It's Michael's day off. We woke up and we had to go run to my parents' house for something. And on the way there, we dropped the crawdad trap down by the creek. And on our way back from their house, we pulled it up and there was already 16 crawdad in there. So we pulled those out and dropped the trap back in. We'll go later tonight to pick that up after dinner. As far as the rest of the day goes, we don't really have a whole lot planned. The kids right now are painting the little like arts and crafts things that they picked up from the Dollar Tree yesterday. Oakley's painting an owl and Barrett's painting a dinosaur. And so that's what they're doing now. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I know I need to go through Oakley's math for this week. This last week was our first week of homeschool, and to keep things kind of easy, we don't start math until this coming Monday. So I just need to go through her math and kind of familiarize myself with it, just so I'm not like scrounging around for supplies and like a little frazzled on Monday. So that's my plan. I also have some mums that I bought for the front porch that I need to plant. And honestly, we'll probably just kind of relax and hang out here at the house. Tonight for dinner, the kids are really excited because we're having family nachos, which means that we make one big nacho, set it in the middle table, and we just all eat off of it, which they think is like the coolest thing ever. So Michael's gonna cook the chicken for that a little later. I'll try to film some of that for you guys. And then yeah, I think the rest of the day we're just gonna be kind of lazy and just kind of relaxing. It's like perfect weather out. It feels like fall. There's little peaks of blue sky. It's cloudy, it's windy, it's a tad bit chilly. So I don't know, it just feels really good outside. So that's kind of what is going on with our day so far, but I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. All right guys, we're headed down to the library to return some of our books, and then while we're out, we're going to collect some things to decorate our nature notebooks with. Thank you, bud. Treasures. All right, these are all the goodies that we picked up for our nature notebooks. The kids helped me pick these out. Barry even found a feather for his. So we have all these pretty fall leaves, oak leaves, Queen's Anne's lace, just some grass. So I'm going to get their notebooks. Oakley doesn't need to decorate hers because hers is already decorated, so she's gonna help Barrett and I'll do mine. And then I think what we're gonna do is glue them down for right now, let it dry, and then go over it with some Mod Podge. So really quick, I wanted to show you the notebooks that we're going to be using. If you hear any loud noises, Michael's working on a rabbit hutch, so it's kind of loud out there. These are the two notebooks that Barrett and myself are going to be using for our nature journals. They're very simple, just cardboard on the front and the back, and then just lined on the inside. I found these off Amazon. I'll link those below. And then this is the journal notebook that Oakley is going to be using. I'll link this one below as well. It's super cute. It's the Julia Rothman. It's in the Julia Rothman collection, so I'll link that one too. So since she already has a beautiful journal, she's going to help Barrett decorate his, and I'll show you guys how they turn out. Good job.
It was too much.
Should be good. So I'm outside in the backyard. I'm going to pick the ripe tomatoes that are on the vine so that we have some fresh tomatoes to make homemade salsa with our nachos tonight. All right, here are the tomatoes I picked, just enough to make a super small batch of homemade salsa for tonight's dinner. Busy visiting with the kids' friend's mom while Michael made the salsa, so I didn't get any film of it, but it's tomatoes from the garden. Did you put serranos and jalapenos in here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so serranos and jalapenos from the garden, and then onion and cilantro. I almost forgot to show you guys how the journals turned out. This one here is Barrett's. I need to go back through and glue it a little bit better for him. And then this is the one that I did. It stayed pretty good, but I was talking to Michael and we have some contact paper that I'm going to put on that just to make sure that everything stays in place. right, it's a little after 7. I think it's 7:20, and we just made it to the creek where we put our crawdad trap in. You can see it tied right here, and it's way down there. You can't really see, but Michael's gonna pull it up here in a minute. Well, I see little fish in there.
You see little fish in that?
Yeah. Oh no. There's hardly any in there.
Oh, they're too tiny to eat. Oh, some babies.
It is tiny, huh?
Oh, some babies.
They're probably just young ones.
Oh,
Oh, that's crazy that we had it in for 40 minutes earlier and had 16. This has been hours. I wonder if they came in, ate, and left.
Yeah, maybe.
Those aren't even worth saving. Dang, that stinks. Oh, look, we got a periwinkle.
What's a periwinkle? Wow, where's a periwinkle? Oh,
Weird.
Boop.
Well, should we throw it in?
Again?
And come back for it?
Come back for it tomorrow?
Yeah. Still plenty of food left on those chicken heads. Cold out here, huh?
I'm gonna do it over here.
It's deeper over here,
Yeah.
but it's not as sunny. I don't know if that matters. Watch out.
Wow.
Hot fudge, strawberry, and caramel. What kind are you gonna get?
Hot fudge.
You're gonna get hot fudge? What are you gonna get, sis?
Caramel.
Caramel. All right, we're gonna go head to Dairy Queen and get some ice cream. Is it good?
It's alright. Pretty pumpkin-y.
Pretty pumpkin-y.
Pretty blizzardy.
All right, we're gonna eat our ice cream and head home. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.